Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to use tupperbox on your own Discord server. So if you want to use tupperbox to be utilized on your own Discord server, in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to add tupperbox to your desired Discord server, and then the basics of using tupperbox. Okay, so first of all, let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. So right now I have this setup over here. Of course, all we need to do first is to basically go ahead and search for tupperbox.app on your browsers. Now, this is the website, or rather the official website of Tupperbox, and this is what you guys should use to add Tupperbox to your own server. If you want to go ahead and add your own Tupperbox, of course, let's go ahead and tap on Add to Server. And then we should be redirected to the discord.com. Now you have the freedom to choose which specific server that you want to add Tupperbox on. In this case, I'm going to use this server right here. Tap on Continue, tap on Authorize, and then of course confirm that you are a human. Okay, so now the Tupperbox bot has been successfully added to our desired Discord server. I'm going to head on over and switch to the Discord server over here. Now we have this, I'm going to search for, of course, where that Discord server is. In this case, that should be somewhere over here. I'm going to go ahead and double check where that, where the bot is. Okay, so basically while I'm looking for where this specific bot is located on my preferred Discord server, basically I am going to go ahead and see where this bot is actually located. So basically the bot is located on this server, as you see right here. So you could also tap on Add to Server if you want to go ahead and see details or where this bot is. The bot is actually on this server right here, as you may see. And you could also go ahead and talk to this bot or use this bot and all of its basics on here easily, just by basically, well, using the bot already on your own Discord server. So as you see, the Discord bot or the Tupperbox is already uploaded or also invited already to our Discord server. As you see, these are the basics of Tupperbox. I'm gonna read through. So basically, as you see, Tupperbox is a default name for these profiles, and you can send messages from. Basically, as you see right here, we do have an example of what Tupperbox is, and in that you could actually go ahead and use this command prompt to tell, of course, what Tupperbox wants to tell you. You can now go ahead and go through the simple basics on here on the tupperbox.app website to learn more. And that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.